Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Roshni Kilwani. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Moong Dal ke Pakode. So let's take a look at the recipe. First, I have taken here 1.5 cup of Moong Dal and I have soaked it for 4 hours and I have washed it 3 times, and now we will grind it to a coarse paste like this. Now transfer it in a bowl, and in this add salt as per your taste. One teaspoon of crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon green chilli, you can add more if you want more spicy, 1 teaspoon of ginger crushed, half cup of onion, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon Ajwain, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, that is Saunf, now mix it very well with the whisker so that everything gets combined well. Also add fresh coriander. Now mix it well. Now we will make the green chutney. In a mixer jar, add 1 cup of fresh coriander, 1/4 cup of mint leaves, that is Pudina, 1 green chilli, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of chopped onion, 1 teaspoon cumin, that is jeera, salt as per your taste, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now grind it to a smooth paste like this. Now deep fry the moong dal vadas in a hot oil one by one like this. You can do it with a spoon also. Keep the flame at medium heat. Stir it in between. Fry them till they are golden and crispy like this. And take them out on a tissue paper to absorb oil. In the same way, fry the other vadas also like this. So our moong dal vadas are ready to serve with green chutney or tomato sauce. Hope you all like this video. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.